It's Macy back with Macy's Reading Corner. I haven't been back for a while because I got sick and then Christmas and then life happened, but we are back with birds, a child's first book about our most familiar birds. Birds by Jane Werner WATSON, pictures by Eloise Wilkins. Birds can fly, they fly high. Some fly miles across the sky. In the spring, birds build nests not to rest in. They build nests for their eggs, for their young. Some birds bring twigs and leaves, bits of string. What a nest! Robins and purple martins. Day and night, mother bird and father watch their eggs. They keep them safe and warm. Wood thrushes. Soon, cheep, cheep, the eggs chip, chip, the eggs crack, and out slip baby birds. Mockingbirds. Those eggs look pretty cool. They have no feathers, they cannot fly, but they are hungry, they can eat, oh my. Red-winged blackbirds. There's the babies. What do babies eat? Worms and grubs, beetles and bugs, and tiny insects. Bluebirds. They can eat ever so much. Caterpillars, grasshoppers, ants, flies, and such. A scarlet tanager, we'll say that. Soon the young birds grow feathers, and they have lessons to learn. They must learn to mind mother and find their food. Quail. Some take a turn learning to swim. Mallard ducks. And most birds like to learn to fly. Turkeys. Some birds fly far. Some fly so far we cannot see how they find their way. For they fly hundreds of miles through the pathless sky. Plovers. Some birds catch their food as they fly. They snap up moths and other insects going by. They have beaks that can snap shut fast. Tree swallows. Many birds like grains and seeds. They have short, sharp bills for pecking. They crack seeds open or swallow foods whole. Chickens and pigeons. Chickens and pigeons. Fruits and berries are the foods that some birds need. They swallow the berries, then scatter the seeds. Rose-breasted grosbeak. Cedar waxwing. Summer passes, weeds and grass fade, fruits disappear. Goldfinch. Cold winds shake the trees and bushes. Winter time is near. Warbler. Something tells the birds to fly southward. Off in flocks they go. Heron. Geese. Larks and warblers, thrushes and thrashers. Gray geese following their leaders. Off they fly with a honk or a cry. Chickadees. Nuthatch. Woodpecker. Some birds stay. Bread and soot and seeds are the food a bird needs in the cold. On the snow you may see a small chickadee hunting for seeds. The spring will bring back many birds to sing. They will nest, raise their broods, hunt their foods, and sometimes rest. The time The right time for each they know best. Wren. The end. Like and subscribe.